This is at low power. So remember how I told you that there was the colloid on the inside? The colloid on the inside. And so these right here are identify this entire organ. Thyroid. Identify just these round structures like this.
Thyroid follicles.
Those are thyroid follicles. If I turn it up to a little bit higher power, then I'm going to start to see those simple cuboidal cells that make up. Now notice that the person that made this, it's really hard to get good slides here. Here you can see a little bit, can you see the simple cuboidal in a circle?
Yes.
And then all of this light pink area would be the colloid. This whole thing, we call it a thyroid follicle. Each cell, we call a follicular cell. And the tissue is simple cuboidal. And this substance right here, if I put identify the substance the pointer is in, that would be the colloid. And what that colloid is, I didn't have a chance to tell you in lecture, is that's where the thyroid hormones are made. Then later they'll go back into this, these cells make it, put it out there, and then later they'll take it out and then it'll go into the blood vessels that are nearby. So there's one example. All of these right here are thyroid. This is a pretty bad cell. Can you see how the colloid here has broken up in this slide? So yours may look like that. It may not be nice and smooth. It may be broken up. But you can clearly see right here the simple cuboidal cells. That's a blood vessel. If it has a lumen, what does that mean? It probably is. If it has a lumen, that means it's a blood vessel. Here's an example. Can everyone look up for just a second? Okay. Can everyone see here cuboidal cells?
Yeah.
So this is a follicle. But here, can you see this lumen right here?
Oh yeah.
That's a vein. That's a vein. It should have simple cuboidal, flat hump on the inside. Yeah, and it's squished in there. But remember, we want to have capillaries right nearby. Here's a capillary right here. So that hormone can just go right into there and then eventually go to the arteries.